What's up everybody, it is Black Ace 36 today. I'm going to be showing you Zans Diamond in opposite directions, split time. Cool? Alright, so start off by doing clovers, which is an anti-4 petal wall plane flower that goes like this. Okay, and I'm going to begin by getting into these clover patterns. So I go left. If I'm on my right, I want my left going up, and if I'm practicing on my left, I want my right to go up, right? So this is a clover. You must know how to do these at least before even attempting Zans Diamond. So, link in the description if you haven't got this. If you've got this and this is comfortable for you, now we are going to do this motion. So we're going back and forth. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. It's really a genius move, if you ask me. I like it a lot. So, I'm going to have my right rotating clockwise and my left counterclockwise. Link in the description. Now, Zans Diamond, what you're going to do when you get to a side is you're going to bring it over. So you're going to start practicing. So, starting over here, we got, I advise if you start on your right, go left up first for this particular motion. And if you're on your right, or on your left, I'm sorry, go up right first. Just for the sake of this trick. Across, right up, left, right, left, right. Passing that butterfly over, because that's probably, in my opinion, the hardest part is to time this butterfly, because it's going straight across. Like, you can't do it like this. It has to be like this. So really, you're passing. So yeah, like I said, just get that butterfly going. Turn your shoulders. And then get used to, it's really just trying to maintain the straight line while keeping your plane is the hard part, right? So practice things like butterflies here to there to here to there, and notice what your hands are really doing. How here versus here versus here versus here, you can practice until do it. Said, trickiest part for sure is that, even though it is only 2 butterflies, because you know, naturally you're going to want to do that with your arm, you're going to want to swing it over, but you really got to keep that plane, right? And you got to keep your hands together. So right as they're crossing your chest, you're kind of switching which one goes in front. So it's like boom, boom, It's boom, 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 until you start, break it up. Boom, left up, right up. Okay, so with these, you're not, what you're literally doing is sneaking the bottom hand behind the front hand, right? So this is literally what you're doing, right? Goes like this. So left up, right up, center. 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 And when you're over here, it's going to be right up, left up, center. It's going to be, sorry, it's going to be left up, right up, flip, cross. So left up, right up, right, across, right up, left, across. Left up, right, across, right up, left, across. That's actually how it's done. So, you can start on the right or you can start on the left. So, okay, so you got to remember after your right, your left goes up, right? And then after your left, your right goes up. But then they switch, right? And then they go across, left, right up, middle, switch, right, switch, middle, back. Okay? So got my right up, and what's literally happening here is my bottom hand, not when they're about to touch, but when they're going up, they go like that, right? So they go like that, not like that. So this is why it's important. You have to go back to home base. Your left has to be on top for it to work, and then you have to cross, and then your right has to be on top for that to work, so then you can cross. And if you do it backwards, it won't work, or it might, but it's less likely to. So it has to be done after your left side, right up, switch, left to right. Then, now that I'm on my right, I put my left up and straight switch, right? And then back to the left, and then this is where they cross. So they cross after left's on top and it switches, and then right's on top. Zans Diamond.